Hi, this is Wing. Welcome back. Today is the last series of the real estate data that I have. In today's video, I'll be talking about the bank loan status. All right, these are the numbers which is released by Bank Negara that talked about the housing or the property loan application and how it goes uh, for the year 2020. I compiled the data and produce this graph. Now this graph is trying to show first the blue color bar indicates the number of loan applied, whereas the orange bar shows the loan approved. And this data is showing from January 2019 all the way to August 2020. Okay, so you can see on a monthly basis in the year 2019, there is about 20 billion worth of loan that is being applied on a monthly basis. And if you can see, the lowest point is in April and May, whereby there is only about 6 billion and also about 10 billion worth of loan which is applied in the residential property. And if you look at the approval rate, if you look at the loan approved, which is the orange color bar, so you can see it ranges about on a monthly basis, there is about 7 to 8 billion worth of loan that is being approved. And the lowest point is also in April and May. Okay, we are looking at about the 2 to 3 billion approved for the month of April and May. So there was a sharp drop in terms of loan applied in April and May. But subsequently, after that, in the month of June, July, and August, and you can see we were back to record high in terms of residential loan application. And the highest was in July, whereby there is a 30 billion loan that is being applied for residential property. And also you can see the amount of loan approved has improved significantly from May onwards to June, July, and also August. So you can see August approval loan approved is almost back to the peak we seen in 2019. Now, of course, the gray color line is to indicate the approval ratio. Basically, this is to indicate the ratio of loan approved. So you can see in the year 2019, the approval rate was between the range of 40 to 45% range. Then in the month of June, the approval rate dropped significantly. In June 2020, the approval rate for residential loan was only at 25%. Now this is because the economy was just reopened back after COVID-19 and all the banks were deploying the wait and see attitude, which is why the approval rate back in the month of June was the lowest seen since January 2019, but those data subsequently has improved back to 35% ratio in August 2020. Although the approval ratio is still not at the peak of around 45%, but at least the approval rate for August has increased to 35%. So this table shows the number of the amount of loan applied, the amount of loan approved, and also what is the approval ratio from 2019 to 2020 for the residential property. Now next, this is also to show the non-residential property 2019 to current. Now this is the loan applied for non-residential property. So you can see the blue line is represent the amount of loan applied and the orange line represents the amount of loan approved. So you can see in this is from January 2019 to August 2020. So in the year of 2019, averagely the peak we can see that there is about 8 billion worth of loan which is being applied in the non-residential segment, out of which average about there is about 3 billion that is approved on a monthly basis. As you can see, the lowest point for the loan applied and approved, the lowest point in terms of loan applied, it's also April and May 2020. For loan approved is in the month of May and June. And the latest August 2020, there is about 2 billion worth of loan approved for non-residential property. So you can see banks are still very skeptical with the non-residential property segment. The approval, the total loan approved, it's still on the lower side. However, as you can see, the approval ratio has gone up quite significantly. Right now, the approval rate is about 40%. Taking into consideration, it was as low as 25% in June 2020. Alright, this is all I have for today's video. For the data released by Bank Negara based on the residential and non-residential loan application. If you got any feedback, leave in the comment section below. If you like the content, give us a like. If you find it valuable, do subscribe and also share it to your friend. That's all I have for this series of real estate data released by napic and Bank Negara this round. I will review again the data the next time when napic releases it. Thank you very much.
Yeah.